सप्लायर फोरम यहाँ मौजूद है और रूल ऑफ लॉ, इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ जुडिशरी। और बताया जी हजरत।
Supremacy of Constitution, release Imran Khan for the sake of independence of law, because legally you can't hold Imran Khan in the illegal cases where the right of appeal was barred by the High Court. Even we cannot say this is a High Court because this is an illegal High Court after the 27th Amendment. A judge from another High Court has been brought to the Islamabad High Court to pick and choose and to refrain the law to take its course.
Mr. Chauhan, Advocate High Court is the barrister, addressing with reference to the constitutionality, the question for the establishment of the High Courts and the Supreme Court of this country, especially the Federal Constitutional Court after 27th Amendment, the question of a very serious question regarding to the judicial independency. So all the punishment which has been granted to the chairman Tariq Insaf, Mr. Imran Khan, is totally illegal, not having no any base, with the ruthless punishment is punishment by the military establishment. The judiciary is come under the executive, and these are the executive orders and judgments which have been passed in the judicial system of Pakistan, which is very questionable. The question has been raised by the international community that all the punishment which has been granted and passing by the kangaroo courts in this country is totally against the constitution of this country. We inshallah struggle for the freedom of movement, Article 15, freedom of assembly, Article 16, freedom of association of political party can run. Inshallah, Pakistan Tehreek Insaf will be able to establish rule of law, independence of judiciary in this country. Thank you so much.